Hello, my name is Ashley and welcome to Crash Course 2.0. From this video, you will learn the structural features of the pancreas, the system it's an integral part of and why, its function, the disease that affects this organ, and a piece of medical technology that is used to diagnose this condition. To power the bodies resulting from millions of years of evolution, we obtain the needed energy and nutrients essential for survival from the food we eat through digestion. But when you eat that entire pizza or inhale a whole carton of ice cream, which you know you'll regret later, do you really know the parts that come into play in digesting all that? In particular, one organ that's a pretty big reason why we can survive after stuffing ourselves, one that most people don't know about but is also their best friend, the pancreas. The job of the digestive system is to ingest, digest, absorb, and egest our food. But there is much more to the digestive system than just the gastrointestinal tract, aka the GI tract, which is a long tube that extends from the mouth to the anus. There are these extra structures that are still part of the digestive system called accessory organs, where food doesn't go through, but they still play a big role in digestion. There's the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. Located between the stomach and the duodenum is a flat spongy gland about 6 to 10 inches long that looks like a fish, a pear, or a leaf. The pancreas is vital to the digestive system in that it secretes enzymes important to the digestive process and it maintains healthy blood sugar levels. The pancreas has 3 parts: the head, the neck, and the tail. 95% of the pancreas consists of exocrine cells, meaning they're related to glands that secrete their products through ducts. 5% is made up of endocrine cells, meaning they're associated with glands that secrete hormones into the blood. The pancreas has several functions. Its exocrine function is to produce enzymes to help digest carbs, proteins, and lipids. When chyne enters the duodenum, a hormone called cholecystokinin secreted by the duodenum is released into the bloodstream to signal the pancreas to secrete different chemicals. They enter the duodenum through the pancreatic duct. The chyme is very acidic after being mixed with the acidic juices from the stomach. When it enters the duodenum, a chemical called prostaglandin is converted into the active form secretin. This hormone enables the liver to make more bile and the pancreas to release bicarbonate ions to neutralize the chyme so that the digestive enzymes can do their job. They are amylase, trypsin, and lipase. Amylase is an enzyme that helps digest starch. It's also found in saliva, so it's digesting what remaining starch there is left to break down. The fats that enter the duodenum are broken down by lipases, secreted by the pancreas for breaking down lipid chains into individual fatty molecules. Trypsinogen is also released, which then travels from the pancreas to the duodenum. The duodenum then secretes an enzyme called enterokinase to convert trypsinogen to the active trypsin. The trypsin further breaks down remaining proteins that the pepsin enzymes from the stomach did not. This mix of enzymes, also referred to as pancreatic juices, are released into a system of ducts, eventually leading to the main pancreatic duct, which joins the common bile duct to form the ampulla of Vater, which is the unit of the 2 ducts at the duodenum. Its endocrine function is to regulate absorption and storage of glucose from blood. It consists of cells called the islets of Langerhans that release hormones directly into the bloodstream. When sugar levels are too high, the pancreas releases insulin to lower it. When sugar levels are too low, the pancreas releases glucagon to raise it. A condition that directly affects the pancreas is pancreatitis, which is the inflammation of the pancreas. This occurs when pancreatic enzyme secretions build up and begin to digest the organ itself. A medical technology used to diagnose this disease is the MRI machine, which stands for magnetic resonance imaging. It's a test that uses a magnetic field and radio waves to make and send pictures of the organs within the body. In this case, it's used to look for abnormalities in the pancreas. There are 2 types of pancreatitis, acute and chronic. Acute pancreatitis consists of painful attacks lasting days, whilst chronic pancreatitis is a condition that progresses over a number of years. Treatments for acute pancreatitis include IV fluids, antibiotics, feeding tubes for nutritional support, and pain medications. Surgery is sometimes needed to treat complications. Treatments for chronic pancreatitis includes IV fluids, pain medications, maintaining a low-fat nutritionist diet, enzyme supplements, and surgery that may be required to remove part of or all of the pancreas. The following is a legend of all the chemicals that you've seen in this video for reference. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.